lovely beans, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video, which is not the one I had planned for this week or for this month, but life happens and the project I had originally planned for this month decided to not cooperate, and also a bunch of other things because life, you know, as usual. So I'm going to show you a really quick little recipe that can be savory or neutral or sweet, that I am completely obsessed with at the moment. So let's go. Okay, so I have here a half a cup of sunflower seeds, half a cup of pumpkin seeds, a quarter cup of linseed, and a tablespoon each of sesame seeds, chia seeds, and psyllium husk. Just pop all those into a bowl. And then what I have here is teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of rosemary, and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm just going to pop all those into my handy little water pestle, and I because of course the salt is quite coarse, I'm just going to sort of pre-meddle that a little bit. And once you've got the desired fineness, pop that in here as well. And I like to do a little pre-mixing. Now what I have found I quite like, because I'm weird, so please don't judge, just like an added tablespoon of nutritional yeast. Please don't ask me why I like this. I guess I'm just a little weird. And then once we're done pre-mixing, going to want to use boiling or near boiling water to the tune of, this is half a cup, so maybe, yeah, let's say 3/4 of a cup. I'm just gonna mix that in. Because the chia seeds and the psyllium husk and also the linseed hold an incredible amount of water. So I'll let that sit for a moment. And what I've done is I have put a sheet onto my sheet. And I'm just going to pop the seeds on here. The oven is preheating at, I only have a standard oven, so I've been preheating that to 180 Celsius. You'd ideally want to have a convection oven or fan oven and preheat it to about 150. That's a bit kinder on the whole thing. Just pop all of that on there. And then just smoosh it around so you get as even as possible, because these are pretty thin. And they're supposed to be pretty thin because seeds pack a real punch calorie-wise. This is essentially 5 servings. Seeds are high in nutritional value, they're high in a lot of like trace minerals and stuff, they're high in protein as well, but they're also very, very high in fat, because obviously a seed needs to, you know, grow. So there we are. But these are definitely the healthy varieties. So, okay. And if you want like even portions, I would highly advise that this is the time you want to sort of like pre-score your crackers. Just kind of roughly. Right, and now these can go into the oven, and like I said, if you've got a convection oven, 150C is going to be completely enough. I've got my standard oven at 170, 180-ish, and that's going to go in there for 30 minutes. Check it after 30 minutes. If it's still a little squishy, you want to leave it in a little bit longer. So, and here we are. And that can now just chill out here for a moment, or 2 or 3. And once that's cooled down, we can break it apart and store it for usage. It's pretty solid. Pretty easy to break these babies apart. And they might not look like much, but they do. I find them tasty. I do like them. So. Yeah, if you try this recipe and you like it, do give it a thumbs up. And otherwise, if you want to see more of these impromptu little situations, subscribe to the channel, that would be amazing. And other than that, that's it from me, and I will see you in my next video that is hopefully a wee bit more coherent. Until then, take care. See you then. Bye-bye.